Last time you learned how to say hello,
Wow.
introduce yourself and talk about your age. Today it's time for something new. Let's go! Welcome to lesson 4 of your E0 to A1 French journey. Today you will learn how to tell the time and say the date in French. You will hear simple example, repeat after me and test yourself at the end. Let's go! Part 1. Telling the time in French. In French, we use the 24-hour clock in most situations, like in transport, schedules, and official events. Here are the basics. Il est 8 heures. It's 8 a.m. Il est 14 heures. It's 2 p.m. Il est midi. It's noon. Il est minuit. It's midnight. Repeat after me. Il est 8 heures. Il est 14 heures. Il est minuit. Now let's add minutes. Il est 8h10. It's 8:10. Il est 9h15. It's a quarter past 9. Il est 10h30. It's half past 10. Il est 11h moins le quart. It's a quarter to 11. Let's practice. Il est 8h10. Il est 9h15. Il est 11h moins le quart. Notice that moins le quart means a quarter to the next hour. Part 2. Saying the date. To say a full date in French, the structure is le plus number plus month. For example, le 10 octobre. October 10. Le 1er juillet. July 1st. We say premier for the first only. Let's repeat. Le 1er juillet. Le 10 octobre. You can also say aujourd'hui, c'est le 25 décembre. Today is December 25th. Other useful words. Aujourd'hui. Today. Demain. Tomorrow. Et hier. Yesterday. Let's repeat. Aujourd'hui. Demain. Hier. Mini quiz. Test yourself. How do you say it's midnight in French? A. Il est midi. B. Il est minuit. C. Il est 12 heures. The correct answer is B. Il est minuit. Question 2. Read the sentence on screen. Il est 9h15. What does it mean? A. B. C. Of course, the correct answer is B. It's quarter past 9. Question 3. How do you say today is July 1st in French? Aujourd'hui, c'est... One possible answer. Aujourd'hui, c'est le 1er juillet. Repeat after me. Aujourd'hui, c'est le 1er juillet. Say your answers out loud. Next up, Lesson 5 Preview. In Lesson 5 you will learn 20 must-know words for your first day in France. At the airport, in the streets or in a shop. From bonjour to où sont les toilettes. Don't miss it, like, subscribe and keep learning. À bientôt!